Hello, and welcome to our step by step guide on using the recruiting dashboard. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your recruitment process, making it easier and more efficient. The recruiting dashboard offers a range of features to manage your recruitment activities effectively, from managing job postings to tracking applicants and analyzing recruitment metrics. This dashboard is your go-to resource for all things related to hiring at Global Build. Before we dive into the functionalities and features, it's important to note that access to the recruiting dashboard is exclusive. It's designed for our administrative and human resources personnel. If you're an admin or have HR user access, you're in the right place to learn how to maximize this tool for your recruitment needs. Unfortunately, if you don't have these access privileges, you won't be able to utilize the dashboard. This is to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of our recruitment processes. For those of you with the right access, let's get started. In this tutorial, we will cover everything from initial login to advanced features of the recruiting dashboard. Ready to transform your recruitment process? Let's go! Now that you're ready to explore the recruiting dashboard, let's walk through the login process. First, open your web browser and go to globalbuildfiber.com/dashboard. This is your gateway to the recruiting dashboard. Once you arrive at the page, you'll be greeted with a login prompt. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only authorized users gain access. It's important to remember that you must have admin or HR user credentials to log in. If you don't have these credentials, access will be denied. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. These credentials should have been provided to you by your system administrator or HR department. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken directly to the main interface of the recruiting dashboard. And voila! You are now logged in and ready to navigate the recruiting dashboard. Here you can manage all aspects of the recruitment process efficiently. In the next sections of this tutorial, we will delve into the various features of the dashboard and how you can use them to enhance your recruitment activities. Stay tuned. Having successfully logged into the recruiting dashboard, it's time to learn how to add a new job posting. This is a key feature that allows you to expand your team and find the right talent. On your dashboard, you'll find the Add Job widget. It's located on the main page for easy access. Within that widget, look for a button labeled Add New Job. Click on this button to open the Add New Job for Posting form. This is where you'll input the details for your new job opening. You'll see various fields to fill in, such as job title, category, location, job type, and so on. We'll walk through these fields step by step in a moment. So to showcase the Add New Job feature, I'm going to start out by creating a network engineer opportunity. So this is a fictitious opportunity that we're creating just to show how this Add New Job functionality works. So first of all, we're going to add the title of network engineer. And then you'll notice the job category field is a drop down. I'm going to go ahead and select engineering and technical under information and technology. And then we want to select a location. We can choose from any of these locations, but if the location you're looking for is not available, you have the option here to add new job location. You'll notice that's an option for all these drop-down fields. So let's go ahead and select New York, New York. The next thing we want to select is the job type. The options you have available are contractor, full-time, part-time, or seasonal. In this case, we'll go ahead and select this as a full-time job opportunity. The next information we want to provide is the job level for the role. So the options you have to select from are entry level, intern, junior, manager, mid-level, or senior. We'll go ahead and set this as a mid-level job opportunity. Okay, and then next thing you have options to do is to set the number of vacancies, the salary, and the years of experience. I'm just going to leave the number of vacancies here as one, but you could always, add up to the exact number of vacancies that you require. And then the next step we're going to do is add a salary. I'm just going to put 85,000 to 95,000 per annum for the salary here. And then for the years of experience, we'll do 3 to 5 years. And then here you'll notice that we get to the form fields that give you a little bit of flexibility when you're building your job description. So here you can set it up. You can add headings, you can add paragraphs, you can set it to bold, italics, you can add bulleted lists, you can add numbered lists, you can add block code, you can align it the way you need to. So here it gives a good amount of flexibility on how you can set up these descriptions based on your needs. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it very simple here. I'm not going to do all that extra formatting, just put a basic description here. And then the next field that we're looking at is the responsibilities field. Just going to put something real quick here. But you can format it any way you need to based on your requirements. And qualifications we're going to add here. And educational requirements is the next field that's available. And additional requirements. And then this is where you can put any additional requirements that don't fit into the other buckets, but you kind of want to call them out. And then we have other benefits. So this is where you can put information about health insurance, 401k, and all that stuff that people can have as part of your job opportunity. Okay, so before we submit the form, I just want to highlight that this form is designed to capture all of the necessary information for a job posting. So by filling it out thoroughly, you ensure that potential candidates have a clear understanding of what the job entails and what's expected of them. So it's important to be precise and clear in your description to attract the right candidates. So once you have all the required fields completed, you'll find an option at the end of the form to set the job status. For now, we'll set the job status to pending. This means the job posting won't be live immediately, but will be saved and ready for review or further edits. So after clicking the pending status, let's click the Save Job button to save our work. And there you have it. You successfully added a new job posting to the recruiting dashboard in pending status. So you'll see here that you'll see a notification at the top that shows you that your job posting has been created successfully, and you can always close out of that notification. And then the next thing you would notice is that it now shows that you have one active posting and one pending posting. So you see this provides a count of your posting. So you can quickly see at a glance how many active postings you have, how many inactive postings you have, and how many pending postings you have. And then you have separate tabs where you can go in and actually look at the specific postings. So we have a tab for active job postings. So if there's an available posting, you'll see it there. Inactive posting, because we have no inactive postings, is blank. And pending postings does show the new position that we just created. So there you go. So in the next part of this tutorial, we'll explore how to review and publish your job posting and how to manage applications. Thank you. Before I show you how you can manage job postings that you've created, I want to take you to the career page first, or to the main page, just so you can see what candidates see when they are on the career page or the main page of the Global Build Fiber website. Okay, so to do that, I'm actually going to go to the career page. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up in an incognito window, because this is how it will be for people who do not have access to the recruiting dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that. So basically, we're on this page. Even though we've created a new opportunity called Network Engineer, the candidates cannot see that just yet because we still have it as a pending job opportunity. Next, we will cover how to actually activate that opportunity so that candidates will be able to view that opportunity on the career page or on the homepage website. So we also have a place here on the homepage where you can view opportunities. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to go get started on that. So now, to get back to the dashboard, I'm just going to simply replace career with dashboard. And that will take me back to the recruiting dashboard. You will notice on this dashboard, we have another widget called Manage Jobs. And within that widget, there's a View All Jobs button. That's the button that will take us to the listings of all our job postings. So before we make that update to activate that job opening, Network Engineer, notice that here it shows that we have one active posting, zero inactive postings, and one pending postings. So once we make that change, we'll see how that updates. So basically, since this is a pending job opportunity that we're trying to update, we would go to the pending job postings tabs, and then we would click the edit job button. And here we can make different changes. So we can change it to a different job category and so on. I'm going to leave everything as is. Oh, let me go back to edit. I'm going to leave everything as is and just scroll down to the bottom where we have the job status. And I'm going to change this to active and then click the update button at the bottom of the form to save our work. Once the update is complete, you'll get that familiar green banner at the top that shows that your posting has been updated successfully. And voila, notice we now have two active postings. Inactive postings remains as 0 and the pending postings now shows as 0. So if we go look in our tabs, we'll see that the active job postings now shows 2 listings and the pending job postings is blank. So, as you can see, that works out. So now let's go to the career page. We're going to open that in the incognito window and see what happens for our candidates once we activate that posting. Sorry, it took a moment for my window to work. So let's do this. I'm just going to paste this right here. And if I scroll down, I now see both job openings, and then users will be able to click the view full job listing to be able to see the details of the listing, and then to apply for the job by clicking this apply now for button. But we'll cover that in more detail momentarily. So if I go to the home page and scroll down to the bottom where we're also displaying job opportunities, you'll see that you can see both active job opportunities now. Okay, so next steps is for us to review how to manage applications that come in to Global Build.